Hi Sukesh. For the drawings that you have, I've sent you, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drawings from the FRP. Okay, I will do one of them in front of you. This one, for example, 20.7. All right, and I will open also, I will send you this drawing. This is the tanks drawing, the GRP tank drawing. The FRP, sorry, the FRP tank drawing. This drawing, I'll send it to you now. Now, the one that I've requested you to do are the drawing Talabarra. The drawing that I have requested to you for you to do, they have a tank size of 1640 by 500. Not this one. Not this one. This one. Okay, I will put it inside of 2007 and you can use it for the drawings that I've requested from you in the FRP. Not all of them, only the one that I requested. There are 10 drawings. I will send you now a list again, so you will not mix things together because we have different tanks. Okay. Okay. This is the one. This is the one. This is actually in millimeters, so you have to enlarge. This is something you didn't do before. See, so this should be like multiplied by 10. Okay. So this scale up 10. Alright, so this is the actual one. We will create it from the beginning. You go to connection details, the one that I've sent before. You get your corner unit first. Okay. And this we don't need, we will close this. And you place it here. Okay. You make a copy of your skid. This is the skid. You make the 55 by 100, for example. This is the pipe. Okay. And you place it here. You extend to the end. All right. And then you'll do the same. Actually, you can do something from here. In the connection detail, you find this. You can take it as it is. Okay. It's already inside, it's already in a layer called beam set out. So automatically when you copy this, you will have this layer inside your new drawing. So it will be easy. So you take this as it is. Okay, you go to your drawing and then you place it in the corner. I'm going to delete the other one, the white one. Okay, now this one, you go down, and this long one, we are going to. Okay, now it's clear. We have the borders. These two tanks are wrong here. The correct size is this tank. This is the top, this is the side, and this is the front view. Sorry, this is the side view, this is the front view. You can see it's wide. Okay, this is narrow. All right, now we need to put them here and then we need to put the other there. Now we have this one. We're going to spread this. We come, we say array, and this should be 1. Oops, what happened? This is 1. and this is 4, this is 500. Okay, and we're gonna spread it. We're gonna spread this up to the end. You see, for example, here, it's not bad. Okay, so keep it as it is. Just adjust this one, make it a little bit smaller, so you don't have to play a lot. Okay, it's not a big deal, it's not a big difference. So now we know that it's 50 50 50 50 50. It's easier also for the spreading. Now this is done. We go to the length one, this one. This one we said it's below 100, so we take it the same. This is 1 3, let's put 90 centi, and sorry, 900 should be 900, and let's see what happens. So okay, it's a little bit small. You can add it. How much here is the distance? 12 centi, 12.3. So basically, go back here, you will add 3 centi. Sorry. Oops. 8.5. We're getting closer. 5.5. Then it's 905. 905. Okay, it's close enough. You see, it's not a big deal. Now we're done. So we know it's 905.5, and we have this is done. Okay, now this is done. We will have a little bit of difference here. It's not a big deal. This one. Okay, so here, if you want to put 4. Oops, not that. 905.3. What's happening? 905.3. So now it's done. Let's see how much is the difference. 2.9 millimeter. We have to divide this 2.9 into 3. So it's around, I'll make this 904. Okay, it's a little bit of difference. Now we have we have the initial skid. Let's delete the previous one. Don't forget, this should be always into the beam setout. Okay, this is done. Now you bring the tanks will be here, and the 50 centimeter is like this. This will be your corner unit. We will get the 4 of them because you will need them all. You need this. I will tell you why exactly this one. Because you will start from this side, for example. I'm continuing the video because it's maximum 10 minutes. Okay, so you get this, you want to put it here. So we will rotate that 90 degrees. All right. And we have also always to have 25 milli here. We'll draw our small square. Okay. Now this is done. Okay, Sukesh, this is done. Now, as I told you, take this, you take this, and you jump 2 and you put 1. Okay, now this should be, you make a line. This should be always in the middle. So we'll make a line here to make things in the middle. All right, this one, you go down. This one, it has to go. It has to go automatically here. Okay, now you have this. This is your base. And then we go 1, 2, we do another one. 1, 2, we do another one. 1, 2, we do another one. By coincidence, this one is spreaded. It's goodly spreaded. Now we bring the other one and we put it on the corner. Okay. Also the same square. Done. We got this thing and top, it's there. Okay, now all this is finished. These two, this line will be a mirror side on the other side. Okay, if you see here, this is outside. You see here, this is outside, this is outside. You come here, this is outside, outside, so it's correct. Now we have this, it's 235, so we need to put one in the middle. We take all this like this and we go to the middle. We put something in the same. What happened? All right, now we finish the spacing. This is now should be very easy like this. All right, now if you have a spacing here more than 180, okay, you divide them. Now this is the principle is finished. We don't need this. Okay, after this we move to the second step. The second step, now between the span between the posts should not exceed the 4 meters. So here is small, here is good. I cannot go beyond this. So automatically I will have a post here and a post here. We go to connection detail. You get this, okay, and you implement. This should be far by 7 centi from the edge. We go down 70. Okay, so this is done. Now from here, we take this. We have to put it here. We don't have any choice. Okay, this side is done. You take the same and you mirror them. So this should be done. Okay, now let's do the, before going to the steel works on top, we will do another one. Now let's double check. This is not inside, it's not in this shed. Okay, here you see there is no the layers that we have. We don't have this, only we have the beam set out. So if I shut this down, all this will go. The pedestal also, if you shut it down, this will go. Okay, now for these, they should be coming from the structure of the shed, the steel structure, shed steel structure. So let me go to another map, one of the old ones. You have them already. All these are redone now. I redid everything. Let's take this one for example. You see, I'll bring this, it's steel structure, and this also is steel structure. Okay, let's take these. Let's take this. I need this. Let's take them all. It will be easier. Okay. Now we can use it. Even it's easy. You see, we have this. So we will choose all this. Choose this one, 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 and we will match it with this one. Okay, done. We don't need this. This we will need it. This we will need it later. Now this is done. For the tanks, instead of these two tanks, we need to put these to this tank. So this is the top view. Make it as a whole. Sorry, delete it. Remove this and remove this. All this one is like, make it, because I don't want you to go small pieces. Okay, this is the tank. So we have two tanks, as you can see. You put one here in the middle, and then we'll put another one next to it. Okay, now as you can see here, the tank is taking this dimension. What you will see, we need to make a step, as you can see in this drawing here. You see that I made a step here. This step is made because they want the area where the tank is to be higher than the area where the material is. So this is 207. Okay, first of all, we will make a mirror of this, because we're going to work on them. Okay, now this area here should be higher than the other area, so by 10 centi. So this will go, this is 50 centi by 70. The 50 should be 60, so I will push this up by 10 centi. I will push this up by 10 centi, and I will push this up by 10 centi. All right, this is done like this. Now I will explode this. See, okay, this is done. I'll make a copy and I'll put it here on top. Oh, we didn't extend this. Ah, okay. So it should be I am now making the video for the third part number three. Part number 3. So as I said, this should be 600. Okay. So these also will go to 600. Same. This also will be same 600. All right. Now this should be 10 centimeter. First of all, I'll move it to the top like this. Let's make sure it's correct. I don't know why sometimes my PC doesn't make the accent line. Okay. You see, it's correct from here. And it should be 10 centimeter. It's already 55, so I'm going to add 45 on it. And now, as you can see here, it is 10. So this is the elevated part, and this is small part. Now this is important. You see these two here. You can see the tank. The tanks are here. Sorry. The tanks are here. You can see these two beams. This beam will stay up, but this beam should go down. What I will do is this. I will create here a 200 by 100 step. This is the step. We will bring it here. Okay. We will trim. All right. Now we have our step, which is coming here, exactly here. Okay. Now I'll copy this. I'll copy this and put it down. So we are creating the two levels. In the first time, just put this here, just for you to see. We will adjust them later and bring this to here so you can see your step. This is the step. Okay, till now everything should be clear. We will remove this, we don't need it, we'll remove this. Now we go back to this one. This is the base plate. We take only one of it. Okay, you come here, we rotate, and we will make it in the same location. See here, this is done. Now if you want, you can take it like this. You see here, it is done. Here it will be lower. You will adjust it later on. I will show you. Look, it's high, but it should be down. Here also the same issue. So this one and this one, they will go down here. Okay, this side is like almost finished. I will work on it later on. Let's finish the second side. The same issue. We'll bring this one, and this one, and we will make mirror. Making a mirror here. Okay. Here we have two steps, as you see here. We have one step 50, one step 60. So this will be like, we will make one down to 50. We will make it down by 200. So you can see it's 50. And we make another one 10 centimeter higher, and it will be 60. Okay. So they should be like this. We have two steps. Delete this one. We don't need it. Okay. Now the same. We will repeat the same practice. We will explode this. We'll take this one. We'll make a copy of it, and we'll just install it here, and we will make it 10 centi. Okay, we will add it 45. Now you have the first one, and this is the second one. Now this is good. Okay, for these two, I'll just make a copy. This is done. This is done. Now we have the side elevation the side elevation, sorry, and the front elevation that we will be doing later on. I already did all this for the one that you sent to me. I have rectified them. I will send it to you later. Now we have this too. We take them like this. You see the middle here, they should be here. You can see here. And now we take these two, Ctrl C, we copy, we paste. Done. So now you finished actually 60% of the thing. Now we have the representation of the beam and the the joint. I will show you how we will do the joint. We go to connection details. You have to bring, you have these things. This is important. We already have this one, so we don't need it now. But these we will need. We will copy. We come here. We will use them. Okay. Now, how we will make the partitioning? Actually, first of all, you have this one. It should be here. What I usually do is like this. Shit. This is what I usually do. Okay, if you have any method faster, you can do it. Okay, this is the first one. So you get all these now like this. Alright, you move the movement actually perpendicularly. Now it's done, you see? They are correctly partitioned. After this, you will come here and you will adjust. This one should actually be here. This one should be here. What's happening? Okay. Alright. And this top one, this should be exactly on the same here like this. Okay? This should be clear for you. It's very important, so because this is the joint section. Now here you have finished. On the other side here, we will have connections here cutted in the steel. So this will be represented. We'll take this. You see it's beam set out, already in the beam set out. We will make a copy of this. We'll make a full copy all. We will rotate. Okay. Now you can see this move. We will move. You see this connection here? You will put it here. Okay? It should be on the same. Now, all this should be, this is the here, this point. Okay? You have this one. You make a copy, and this is your reference point, and then you paste. Bam, 1, 2, 3. This is done. So we finish the side and we finish the top. Now this is done. You move it away. Okay, so we will put the measurements later. Okay, this is done. Now this side here, we will continue the same. These you can have, like, let's say, I don't know how much, 5, 6, 7. You make a copy of them. Make a copy, and you come to the other side here. Sorry, here we don't have, sorry. This here we don't have one. It's only like this. We don't have one on top of it. Alright? And you will continue. Let's say we get these two. stop. Uh, this is part number 4. So you see here, it's done. So now we have everything. The only missing thing is the how we're gonna cut the steel. Okay, this is the joint. This is the joint. Okay, this one, how you will install? It's very easy. We will bring one, move, and you put it here. Okay, let me remove this. Now, in the factory, we can have this spacing between this one and the second one 2 meter or 2.5 meter. So here this is a little bit delicate. You see here it's 50, 1 meter, 150, 2 meter, 250. 250 is all not supported, so I will not put it here. It will make me a problem. So I will take this now and I will put it here like this. Okay, I will delete this. I don't need this. Now from here I need to make the second one 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 50. I have a problem here because all are in the air. I need some of them on the pedestals. So this one, I make another one, I'll put it here. Okay, this is the far I can go. Now here, be careful, we have 1, 2, it's 50, 1 meter, 1 meter and a half, and we have a joint here. So since we have a step, I prefer to put this here on the step itself. Okay, sorry, it should be here. Now you have 1, 2, 3. This here, it's the same issue. It's too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's too long. We will make it here. Oh, we will make it here. Now you know how to make the cutting of the skid. You take all this like this. You make a copy and you put them here like this. All right. Now you have a plan on it. Okay. You see here we have joint. Here we have joint. Here we have joint. Here we have joint. You make a copy of the line. And if you make it here like this, it should work. Hopefully. Yeah, you see? It's already here. Already here. Already here. The other one here, for example, you just push it up. Just push it up like this. Okay, I don't want to make too much. Start with this like this. Okay, let's start with these. This is almost done. Now there is the members. Let's see how much is the spacing from here to here. Okay, this is below 4 meter. This is good. And from here to here, it is also below. Very good. Now we have to add something later on. I will make you another video about the steel shed and how we're gonna make the drawing on the sides with the elevation. Now once you finish this, I will just finish it. Move. We'll get it down. Okay. Now you have the side and the elevation. Actually, this is the width. So we're gonna use this to put it on the side elevation. Let's make a copy. Be careful, sometimes this copy is not is in pieces, so it will make you a problem if you see there is piece here, piece here. So take it as a whole, make a full. You take this one and you're gonna move it and just place it on the drawing exactly on the same line as the other one. Okay, so things will be clear. If it needs to be adjusted, we will adjust a little bit later, but at least things to be correct. And this one to be here, for example, I think. It's like this. Okay, you see? You have this same, this side. This side will be the side view. We'll take this, same. We will make, we will remove. We will remove all these, we don't need them. For me, I don't need, MEP need them. And delete. Now, again, we'll make it as a whole. You will get this, move, take it from the middle here, and you come to the side here, you rotate, okay, it's done, and you just install it, same, I think it's here somewhere, if I'm not mistaken. You just make an X and you align everything on an X. So, for example, you have the middle of this, let's see, we will make an X here, okay, and we will make another X somewhere here. All right, let me see. This is the middle. Oh, okay, you see now this it looks like this is not centered correctly, so we move the center of, let's say, this line. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, so this one is correct, this we don't need. Actually this is a little bit off center. Okay, now you know how to put this. I will stop here, start like this, and after that we're gonna go to the make this let me see also the steel that you're gonna make here for the shade, the steel and the pedestal, and I will explain to you later. Okay, thank you.